really not the person to give relationship advice. All my relationships have been toxic, and I haven't been in any healthy relationships. And a lot of the relationships around me are not healthy either, like whether that be friends, family, whatever. Personally, I have no interest in dating, no interest in being a girlfriend, a wife, literally anything. So maybe like men have just turned me into this. But for me, I would probably. I'm like, how spiteful can we get? I'm just kidding. Does your girl have a car? Like, tires? Poppable tires? Who said that? Did you tell her mom? No, I don't know. I'm just kidding. I'd say you dodged a bullet, but also I think that trying to find love in this generation is a waste of time. Do whatever you want. Doesn't necessarily mean you need to become a player. I would just hold your own. Build a PC and mind your own motherfucking business from now on. Shit, I don't know.